Hi, welcome back. This is the third video in this course, Getting Started with iBooked. This video will show you how to set up your practice so you can start taking bookings. You will need to have set up your account and created a subscription before you can follow the steps in this tutorial. So let's get started. Once you have logged into iBooked, you will be taken to the homepage. This is where you can see and control your practices. A practice in iBooked is the digital equivalent of your bricks and mortar store or clinical practice in the real world. Click on the Add Practice button. Enter a name for your practice under Store Name. Click on the next line where it says Search for your address or postcode and start typing either the first line of your address or alternatively, just the postcode. The search bar will display a list of matched addresses. Select your address from the list. The address you selected will be populated in the practice address fields on the screen. If you want to make any adjustments, click the green pencil icon next to latitude and longitude. Fill in any missing fields and make any corrections you require. Please note, it is highly recommended that you do not alter the latitude and longitude fields. You will be able to refine this at a later stage. Click the Save button to finish. Your new practice will now appear in the list. In order to validate your practice, we require a physical confirmation of address. Once you create a new practice, a letter will be sent automatically to the address you provide for your attention. This letter contains a verification code. You will be able to continue using iBooked and start booking appointments manually. However, you will need to enter this verification code before you can start accepting appointment booking online on the iBooked.com website. Please allow 5 to 10 working days for your verification code letter to arrive. This security measure is to protect you and all iBooked clients from potential fraudulent behavior.